this says that it contains long chain of numbers, or it can be 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 5 number, 10 number, or infinite number, such that the first term will be the basic term and the second term will be either addition or subtraction of some fixed number. Same way the third number will be addition or subtraction from the second number. So like that we get the chain. Now by definition you won't understand, so let us understand it by an example. Suppose I take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now if you see this chain, or if you see this, to see here the first term we also call it as A or A1 sometimes. Generally in the formulas they will write A1, but it is also called as A. So that will be the first term of the AP is 1. Now second term, that is A2, is 3. Third term is 5, that is A3. Fourth term A4, that is 7. And fifth term A5, that is 9. Now if you see carefully, see here if I add 2 in this number, if I add 2 I will get this number, so plus 2 I am doing. Again if I add plus 2 in that, I will get 5. If I add plus 2 in that, I will get 7. If I add plus 2 in that, so I will get the next term. Now if sixth term is asked, 6th, 7th, A6 will be 9 plus 2, so that will be 11. 7th term A7, that will be 11 plus 2, so that is 30. So this way I can find out as many terms they have asked me. Now see here, this plus 2 is nothing but it is called as D, that is common difference. Here it is 2. It can be plus, it can be minus, it can be 0. So the fixed number is called common difference of the AP. It can be positive, negative, or 0. Now this is the main thing in the AP. Now there are only 3 formulas which you have to remember in the chapter. The first one, now the general formula is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So if they have asked me nth term, so nth term will be A plus n minus 1D. See why n minus 1? Because here the first term is only A, and from second term D is added in there. Then one more important point you should know, that is if the terms in AP are finite, then it is called finite AP. Finite AP means if the terms are fixed, or it doesn't, this dot is not done, but only 5 or 7 or 10 fixed number of terms are there, so it is called finite AP. And if it has infinite terms, then it is infinite AP. Then infinite AP won't have last term. Last term means nth term. So you can't say that this will be the last term of the AP. First term we will know, but last term we won't be able to say that this is the last term of the AP. Now, let us understand by some examples. Now suppose I am given if A equal to 5, D equal to 2, find 5 terms of AP. So see, what was AP? The general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So here first term will be A, that is 5. Second term A plus D, that will be 5 plus 2, so that will be 7. Third term A plus 2D, that is 5 plus 2 into D, so 2, so 9. Now fourth term will be A plus 3D. See, either I can write it like this, 5 plus 2 or 3 into 2, or I can even do like this, okay, 9 plus 2. Both will be same. It will be 11. See, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11. And 9 plus 2, it will be 11. So both the ways I can show the next term. And fifth term will be A plus 4D. So can I say 11 plus 2, so 13. So both the ways I can write the next term. Then second example, if A equal to 5. Now see why D is always positive, it can be negative also. So here first term will be A, that is 5. Second term was A plus D, so that is 5 plus minus 1, so that will be 4. Third term A plus 2D, so 5 plus 2 into minus 1, that is 5 minus 2, 3. Fourth term A plus 3D, so that will be 5 plus 3 into minus 1, so 5 minus 3, that is 2. And fifth term A plus 4D, 5 plus 4 into minus 1, that is 5 minus 4, that will be 1. Now if I am asked 6 sum 7 term, so 6 term will be mine 0. So that way I can go on and solve it till as many terms they have asked me. Now suppose I take second example, that is check whether the following are in AP. So see, first one it is given to me 4, 10, 16, 22 dot dot dot. So he has asked me, is it an AP? So see, first term is A, that is 4. Now I am not given D or I am not given D. So how I can find D? See, to find D, what I have to do? D equal to A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term. So that will be 10 minus 4, so 6. Now for third one, A3 minus A2 I will do. So I will get 16 minus 10, so that is also 6. Then A4 minus A3, so 22 minus 16, so that is also 6. So therefore it is an AP as common difference D equal to 6. As D is same in all the terms, I can say it is an AP. Now second one, in that I am given minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2. Like this some series is given. So see, here D will be A2 minus A1. So that is 2 minus of minus 2. So that will be 2 plus 2, 4. Now A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 2 minus second term is 2. So this is minus 4. So see, I didn't got D common here. That is, I didn't got 4. So I can say therefore it is not an AP. Directly I can write, because if once I got K term is not satisfying, how I can say, okay, let us check ahead and see, because it didn't came. Now see, this is nothing but your exercise first. So let us start with the exercise now. Now coming to exercise 5.1, question 1. It says, in which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? And first one is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So he is saying that A is, here A will be rupees 15 and D is rupees 8. So he is asking to find the taxi fare. So taxi fare for 1 kilometer equal to rupees 15. That is nothing but A. Taxi fare for 2 kilometer, that is A plus D, that will be rupees 15 plus 8, so rupees 23. Taxi fare for 3 kilometer will be A plus 2D. So A is rupees 15 plus 2 into 8. So that is 15 plus 16, so that is rupees 31. Then taxi fare for 4 kilometer. See, in the for third kilometer I did A plus 2D. Here I am writing A plus 3D, but what I am doing, 31 plus 8 I am doing. So that also will be, answer will be same. So here I can say, okay, therefore it is an AP as common difference D equal to rupees 8. Then second one, he is saying the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. That means the first term will be my first term is not given, so I can take it will be full. So see how I can do. Let initial volume in cylinder be V liter. So that means A1 is V liter. Now A2 will be A1 plus, every time I am removing 1/4. Removing means negative 1/4 V. So this will be V minus 1/4 V. So if I do LCM 4, so 4V minus 1V. So that will be 3/4 V minus 1/4 V of A2. So that is A2. So 3/4 V minus 1/4 V into 3/4. So if I solve this, so I will get 9/16 V. Same way A4 will be A3 plus minus 1/4 V of A3. That is coming 27 V upon 60. So therefore it is not an AP as common difference D is not same. Every time D is getting separate values, so it is not an AP. Now coming to the third one, it says the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So here I am given A equal to rupees 150, that is first term is 150. Then I am adding every time rupees 50 for one more meter. So I can say A1 will be rupees 150, A2 will be rupees 150 plus 50 rupees extra for the second meter, so that will be 200 rupees. Then A3 means I can do A2 plus D, so rupees 200 plus rupees 50, so it will be rupees 250. Same way A4 will be rupees 250 plus rupees 50, so that is rupees 300. Therefore it is an AP as D is rupees 50. Always D is coming 50, so it is an AP. Now fourth one, it says the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. At 8% per annum. So here, see, n years the amount of money will be P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. This is the general formula to find amount. Now, see, amount for first year will be 10,000 into 1 plus 3 upon 100. So that will come to 10,800. Now, amount for second year. Now, the amount for the first year will be principal for the second year. So 10,800 plus interest on 10,800. So 10,800 into 1 plus 3 by 100. Sorry, it is 8. So that is coming to 11664. Then amount for third year is 11664 plus 11664 into 1 plus 8 upon 100. So that is coming to rupees 12597.12. So I can say it is not an AP as D is not same. Naturally, it won't be same in the compound interest, but if it would be in simple interest, it would be same. Now, question 2 says, write first 4 terms of an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. So, first one is A equal to 10, D equal to 10. So, first term A1 will be 10, A2 will be A1 plus D, that is 10 plus 10, so 20. A3 will be A plus 2D, so that will be 10 plus 2 into 10, so 30. A4 will be A plus 3D, so 10 plus 3 into 10, so that will be 40. A5 will be A plus 4D, that is 10 plus 4 into 10. So that is 50. Second one is a equal to minus 2, d equal to 0. So a1 will be minus 2, a2 will be a plus d, that is minus 2 plus 0, so minus 2. a3 will be a plus 2d, so that will be minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. So therefore first four terms of AP will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus. Then third one, A is 4, D is minus 3. So A1 will be 4, A2 will be A plus D, so that is 4 plus minus 3, so that will be 1. A3 will be 4 plus 2 into D, so that is 4 plus 2 into minus 3, so 4 minus 6, so that is minus 2. A4 is A plus 3D, so that is 4 plus 3, 3. So 4 minus 9, so minus 5. A5 will be A plus 4D, 4 plus 4 into minus 3, 4 minus 12, minus 8. Therefore first four terms of AP will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. Now fourth one, it is said A equal to minus 1, D equal to 1 by 2. So A1 will be minus 1, A2 will be minus 1 plus half, that is minus 2 plus 1 upon 2, minus 1 by 2. A3 will be minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, so 2 cancel, so minus 1 plus 1, so 0. A4 is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, so that is minus 1 plus 3 by 2, minus 2 plus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So I can say therefore first four terms of AP minus 1, minus half, 0, half, and so on. The fifth one is A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. A1 will be minus 1.25, A2 will be A plus D, so that will be minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, so that will be minus 1.50. A3 will be minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, so that will be minus 1.25 minus 0.50, so that is minus 1.75. A4 will be minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, so that will come to minus 2. Therefore first four terms of AP are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus. Now question third says for the following APs write the first term and the common difference. So first one is 3, 1, -1, -3, so on. So first term a equal to 3, common difference d equal to 1 minus 3, that is -2, and it will continue in all the terms. If I find for all the terms, the difference will be same. Second is -5, -1, 3, 7. So a equal to -5, d equal to -1 minus of -5. So it will be -1 plus 5. So 4. Third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So a is 1 by 3, d is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So that is 4 by 3. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. See, here I am already given that the terms are in AP. Since I am directly finding, because we know in AP the difference is same. A equal to 0.6, D will be 1.7 minus 0.6, so 1.1. Now question 4 says, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay, so here first one is 2, 4, 8, 16. So A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16. So if I find common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, 2. A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, so that is 4. So see, difference is not coming same. So here only I can say, therefore it is not an AP. If it is not AP, I don't need to find A and D. But if it is an AP, I need to find that. So second one is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So D will be 5 by 2 minus 2. So that is 5 minus 4 by 2. So 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2. So this will be 6 minus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2. Then 7 by 2 minus 3. So 7 minus 6 by 2. 1 by 2. Therefore it is an AP with common difference D equal to half. Next 3 terms. See, till A4 I am given. So A5 will be A plus 4D. So A is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. So that will be 4. A6 will be A plus 5D. 2 plus 5 into half. So that is coming 9 by 2. And A7 A plus 6D. 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So that will be 5. Third one, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, and so on. So D is minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So that is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So that is minus 2. Then minus 5.2 minus 3 point minus 2. Then minus 7.2 minus 5.2. So that is also coming minus 2. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to minus. Next three terms, A5 will be minus 7.2 minus 2, that is minus 9.2. A6 will be minus 9.2 minus 2, so that is minus 11.2. A7 will be minus 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. Now, fourth one. It says minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So D equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10. That will be 4. Here minus 2 minus of minus 6. That also will be 4. And 2 minus of minus 2. That also will be 4. Therefore, it is an AP with common difference D equal to 4. Next three terms, A5 will be 2 plus 4, 6. A6 is 6 plus 4, that is 10. A7, 10 plus 4, that is 14. Then fifth one, it says 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So D equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, that is root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, that is root 2. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to root 2. Next three terms, A5 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 will be 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 will be 3 plus 6 root 2. Sixth one, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So D equal to 0.22 minus 0.2, that is 0.02. 0.222 minus 0.22, that is 0.002. Therefore, it is not an AP. So I don't need to find next three terms. Now seventh one, it says 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, so on. So D equal to minus 4, minus 0, that is minus 4, minus 8, minus of minus 4, that will be also minus 4, minus 12 minus of minus 8, that also will be minus 4. So therefore it is an AP with common difference D equal to minus 4. Next three terms, A5 equal to minus 12 plus minus 4, that is minus 16. A6 will be minus 16 plus minus 4, that is minus 20. And A7 will be minus 20 plus minus 4, that is minus 24. Eighth one, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, so on. So I can clearly see D will be 0. Therefore it is an AP with difference 0. So next three terms, A5 will be minus half, A6 will be minus half, A7 will be minus half. Then ninth one, 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. So D equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. 9 minus 3, that is 6. So therefore it is not an AP, as D is not equal. 10th one, it says A, 2A, 3A, 4A, so on. So here D will be 2A minus A, that is A. 3A minus 2A, that is A. 4A minus 3A, that is A. Therefore it is an AP with D equal to A. Next three terms, A5 will be 4A plus A, that is 5A. A6 will be 5A plus A, 6A. A7 will be 6A plus A, that is 7. 11th one is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so on. So D will be root 8 minus root 2. So root 8 I can write 2 root 2 minus root 2. So that will be root 2. Root 18 I can write as, if I take 9 outside, it will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So that will be root 2. Then root 32 minus root 18. So that also will come as root 2. So common difference is coming same. So therefore it is an AP with D equal to root 2. Next three terms, A5 will be 5 root 2, that is root 50. A6 will be 6 root 2, that is root 72. And A7 will be 7 root 2, that is root 98. 11th one is A square, A cube, A raised to 4, so on. So D will be A square minus A cube minus a square. So see, if I take common a, so a minus 1. Here if I take a square common, so a minus 1. So I can say it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 13th one, it says root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. So D will be root 6 minus root 3. So this, can I write it like this? See, root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So if I take root 3 common, so root 2 minus root 1, that is 1. Then root 9 minus root 6. So this will be root 3 minus root 2. Then root 12 minus root 9. Root 3 if I take common, root 4 minus root 3. That is root 3 into bracket root 4 will be 2 minus root 3. Therefore, it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 14th, it says 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Or this I can write as 1, 9, 25, 49 and so on. So D will be 9 minus 1, that is 8. 25 minus 9, that is 16. Therefore, it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 15th, one square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So on. So this I can write as 1, 25, 49, 73, so on. So see, D will be 25 minus 1, that is 24. 49 minus 25, so that also is 24. 73 minus 49, so 24. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to 24. Therefore, next three terms, A5 will be 73 plus 24, 97. A6 will be 97 plus 24, so 121. And A7, 121 plus 24, so 145. Next topic is nth term of an AP. So suppose the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, like that. Already we have seen the general formula and already we have seen the nth term also. So if I am asked to find nth term, that is last term or nth term or any term, so I can use this formula. N is the term which I want. Suppose if I want 5th term, so I have to put N5. If I want 50th term, so I have to put N50. Will be equal to A plus N minus 1D. I have to multiply D with the N minus 1th term and add A in that. Now let us see one example. Let us take an example, again the same one which we had taken, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that it was. Now suppose here he says, okay, find 820 and 40th term. So A20 will be A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So that will be A is 1, D is 3 minus 1, 2. So 19 into 2. 1 plus 38. So 39. Therefore A20 is 39. Now if I want to find A40, 40th term, 40th term will be A40. So that will be A plus 39D. How I got this? See, A plus 40 minus 1D. I did this directly orally and I came to that. So now if I want A40, A was what? 1 plus 39 into 2, because D is 2. So 1 plus 78. So now exercise 5.2, the first question says, filling the blanks in the following table given that A is first term, D is common difference, and AN the nth term of an AP. So in the first one I am given A equal to 7, D equal to 3 and N equal to 8, and I have to find AN. So AN formula was A plus N minus 1 D. So I need to find A8. So A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So A is 7 plus 8 minus 1 will be 7 into D is 3. So this will be 7 plus 21. So 28. So A8 is 28. B1 or the second one, it says first term A equal to minus 18. A equal to minus 18. D I am not given. N is 10 and AN is 0. That is, they have given me A, they have given me N 10th term, and they have given AN, that is 0. So how I can do this? Again, A10 will be A plus 10 minus 1D, because N is given 10. So A10 is 0 equal to A is minus 18 plus 9D. If I bring minus 18 on this side, so 18 equal to 90. D will be 18 by 9. So D will be 2. So I can say therefore D equal to. The third one, it says A is not given to me. D is minus 3. N is 18. And AN is minus 5. Again, the formula is same, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. Now, I am putting the values. So, AN is given to me minus 5. A, I am not given. N is 18. So, 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So, minus 5 equal to A plus 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 equal to A plus minus 51. So if I take minus 51 on that side, so it will become plus. So minus 5 plus 51 equal to A. So A equal to 46. Fourth one, it says given A equal to minus 18.9, D is 2.5, and I am not given, and AN is 3.6. So again the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is 3.6 equal to A is minus 18.9 plus N I don't know, so N minus 1 into D is 2.5. So 3.6. If I bring minus 18.9 on the other side, it will become plus. So 18.9 equal to 2.5 into N minus 1. So this will be 22.5. Now 2.5, if I bring on the left hand side, it will go in divide, equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 will be equal to 9. So N equal to 9 plus 1. So N equal to. Fifth one, it says A equal to 3.5, D equal to 0, N equal to 105, and AN equal to question mark. So see, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN A105 will be equal to A, so 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. So anything into 0 will be 0. So A105 will be directly 3.5. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. The first one is 30th term of an AP, 30th term of an AP, 10, 7, 4, is. Now A option is 97, B option is 77, C option is minus 77, D option is minus 80. So how I can do? See, first I am given 30th term. So N is 30. AN will be A30, that I have to find. Then A is 10, D is 7 minus 10, so minus 3. Now using the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So A30 equal to A. So 10 plus 30 minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. So A30 will be 10 minus 3 into 29. 87. So 10 minus 87 will be minus 77. So therefore A30 will be minus 77 will be the correct option. So my correct option is C1. Then the second one in that, it says 11th term of an AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, so on, is. A is 28, B is 22, C is minus 38, D is minus 48, integer 1 by 2. So first 11 term means N is 11, A11 I have to find. A is minus 3, D will be minus 1 by 2, minus of minus 3. So it will be minus half plus 3. So doing LCM here, 2 minus 1 plus 6. So 5 by 2. Now I need to find A11. So A plus 11 minus 1D. So that will be A is minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So 2 5s are, so 25 minus 3. So that will be 22. So A11 will be 22. Here, question 3 says in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. First one is given 2 comma box 26. So can I say this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A1 or A equal to 2. D I don't know. I know A3 equal to 26. So can I say A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1D? So 26 equal to A. A is 2 plus 2D. 26 minus 2 will be 2D. 24 equal to 2D. So D will be 24 by 2. So D equal to 12. Now the second one, in that it says box 13 box 3. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So now see here what I know. A2, that is A plus D, equal to 13. A4, that is A plus 3D, that is 3. So if I give them 1 and 2 equation and I use the linear pair to solve them by elimination method, so can I say A plus D equal to 13 and A plus 3D equal to 3. So subtracting A cancel. So minus 2D equal to 10. So D will be minus 10 by 2. So D will be minus 5. Now I got D, but I still don't know A1. So to find A1, A1 will be equal to A2 minus D. So that is A2 is 13 minus 3. So that will be 13 plus 3, so 16. Now A3 I don't know. So A3 will be A2 plus D. So A2 is 13 plus D minus 5. So 13 minus 5 will be 8. So A1 is 16, A3 is 8. The next one is 5 box 9 integer 1 by 2. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So here A equal to 5, A4 equal to 9 integer 1 by 2. So that will be 19 by 2. Now A4 will be A plus 3D. 19 by 2 equal to 5 plus 3D. 19 by 2 minus 5 equal to 3D. So 19, doing LCM, 19 minus 10, 3D. 9 by 2, 3 is in multiplication, so here it will be in divide. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, equal to D. So D will be 3 by 2. Now I got D, I know A, so I can find A2. A2 will be equal to A plus D. So 5 plus 3 by 2. So 10 plus 3 by 2, 13 by 2. So therefore A2 equal to 13 by 2 and A3 will be A plus 2D, 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, so 5 plus 3, A3 will be 8. Fourth one says, so here I can say A, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So A equal to minus 4, A6 equal to 6. So A6 will be equal to A plus 5D. 6 equal to minus 4 plus 5D. 6 plus 4 equal to 5D. D will be equal to 10 by 5. So therefore D equal to 2. Now I know D equal to 2. So I can get all the terms. A2 equal to A plus D minus 4 plus 2. So minus 2. A3 will be A plus 2D. So minus 4 plus 4, 0. A4 will be A plus 3D. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. So 2. A5 will be A plus 4D. Minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. So 4. And then I got 6. So I have got all the terms. Then says and 22. So A I don't know. A plus D I know. That is A2 I know. A3 I don't know. A4 I don't know. A5 I don't know. A6 I know. So A2, that is A plus D, equal to 38. And A6, that is A plus 5D, equal to 22. So if I do elimination method here, so A cancel, minus 4D will be 16. So D will be minus 16 by 4. So D equal to minus 4. Now I got D, so I can get all the values. Fifth one, I am given A2, that is A plus D, equal to 38. And A6 is A plus 5D, that is minus 22. So if I do elimination method here, so A got cut, minus 4D equal to 38 plus 22 will happen. So 38 plus 22 will be 60. So D will be minus 60 by 4. So D will be minus 50. Now I got D value. Now I have to find A value. So A plus D equal to 38. So A minus 15 equal to 38. So A will be 38 plus 15. So A I will get as 53. Now I got D value, I got A value, so I can get all the values. A3 will be A plus 2D. So 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So 53 minus 30. That will be 23. Then A4, A plus 3D. So 53 plus 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45. So that is 8. And A5, A plus 4D. 53 plus 4 into minus 15. Minus 7. Now, fourth question is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So, can I say A equal to 3? D will be 8 minus 3, that is 5, and AN equal to 78. So, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. I have to find the value of N. So 78 equal to 3 plus 5 into N minus 1. So 78 minus 3 by 5 will be N minus 1. So 75 by 5 equal to N minus 1. So 15 equal to N minus 1. So N will be 15 plus 1. So N equal to 16. So 16th term of the AP will be 78. That says find the number of terms in each of the following AP. A equal to 7, D equal to 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 will be 6, and AN equal to 205. So again the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 205 equal to 7 plus 6 into N minus 1. So can I say 205 minus 7 equal to 6 into N minus 1? So 198 divided by 6 will be N minus 1. So 33 equal to N minus 1. So N will be 34. So A equal to 18 here. D is 31 by 2 minus 18. So that will be 31 minus 36 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 D I will get, and AN equal to minus 47. Again AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So minus 47 equal to 18 plus N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 equal to minus 5 by 2 into N minus 1. So minus 65 into minus 2 by 5 equal to N minus 1. So 26 equal to N minus 1. So N equal to 27. So I got N equal to 27. Check whether minus 150, okay, so AN is minus 150, is a term of AP. AP given to me is 11, 8, 5, 2, dot, dot, dot. So now I have to check for that. So let us do the same thing. A is 11, D will be 8 minus 11. So 8 minus 11 will be minus 3, and AN already we know. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So minus 150 equal to 11 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11 equal to minus 3 into N minus. So minus 161 equal to minus 3N plus 3. So I can say minus 161 minus 3 equal to minus 3N. So minus 164 upon minus 3 equal to N. So N equal to 164 by 3. And see, 164 is not divisible by 3. So therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Now Seventh question says find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A31 I have to find, A11 is given to me, A16 is given to me. So can I say A11 will be A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. 1. A16 will be A plus 15D, which is equal to 73. 2. Now, doing 2 minus 1. So it's A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 10D equal to 38. Subtracting them, A got cancelled. 5D equal to 35. So D will be 35 by 5, which is equal to 7. So now we got D. Now putting this D equal to 7 in equation 1. A plus 10 into 7 will be 38. A equal to 38 minus 70. So A will be minus 32. Now I got value of A, I know value of D. So I can find A31. So A31 will be A plus 30D. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So minus 32 plus 210. So 178. Therefore A31 equal to 170. Eighth one says an AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here I know that third term means A3. So A3 will be A plus 2D, that is equal to 12. So I will be giving it one number. And A50 means A plus 49D, that is 106. So 2. Now subtracting them, minus 47D will be equal to minus 94. So minus minus cancel. So D equal 4 by 47. So therefore D equal to 2. Now I got the value of D. I will be putting the D value. Putting D equal to 2 in equation 1, I will get 12 equal to A plus 2 into 2. So 12 minus 4 equal to A. So A equal to 4. Now I am asked A29 term. So A29 term will be A plus 28D. So A is 4 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 56. So A29 will be equal to 64. Now in the ninth question I am given A3, that is third term of an AP is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. To find the term which is 0. So using again the formula, A3 will be A plus 3 minus 1D. So therefore A plus 2D equal to 4. This is 1. And say similarly A9, A plus 9 minus 1D. So therefore A plus 8D is minus 8. Now first of all solving them. So 1 implies A plus 2D equal to 4. 2 implies a plus 8d equal to minus a. Now subtracting them, a got cancelled, minus 6d equal to 4 plus 8, so 12. So d equal to minus 12 upon 6. So therefore d equal to minus 2. Now d equal to minus 2, putting in 1. Putting d equal to minus 2 in 1. So a plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. So a equal to 4 plus 4. So a equal to 8. Now I know the value of a, I know the value of d, and I am asked the term which is 0. So again using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, I have to find the value of n. So this is an is 0, a is 8 plus n I don't know, and d was minus 2. So into minus 2. So minus 8 equal to minus 2 into n minus 1. So can I say minus 8 upon minus 2 equal to n minus 1? So 4 equal to n minus 1. So 4 plus 1 equal to n. So n is 5. So fifth term of the AP will be 0. Now next question, that is 10th question, says if 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. So here what is given to me? A17 minus A10 equal to 7 is given to me. So now I have to find the value of d. So can I say a plus 17 minus 1d? This is a17 term, right? And a10 term will be a plus 10 minus 1d. So therefore a plus 16d minus a plus 9d equal to 7. So a plus 16d minus a minus 9d will be equal to 7. So a cancel, 16 minus 9. So 7d equal to 7. So d equal to 7 by 7. So d equal to 1. Now 11th sum is, he has given us which term of the AP, okay, 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than 54 term. So I need to find 132 more than 54th term. So A54. So here see, I can say A is 3, D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d, A54 will be a. So 3 plus 54 minus 1 into 12. So this will be A54 will be equal to 3 plus 53 into 12. So that will be 3 plus 6, 36. So 639. So I got A54 equal to 639. 132 more. So 132 more will be equal to 639 plus 132. So that is 771. Now he is asking which will be this term. So now again the formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now 771 equal to a was 3 plus n I don't know, and d was 12. So can I say 771 minus 3 upon 12 will be equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 equal to 53. So n equal to 54. Now 12th question says two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? So now two APs are there. So for the first AP, let A be the first term and for second AP, first term be A dash. Now, so A 100 term for the first AP will be A plus 99D and 1000 term for the first AP will be A plus 999D. Now for second AP, let me write here first and second so that you understand. A dash 100 will be A dash plus 99D and A thousandth term dash equal to A dash plus 999D. Given me the difference between 100 term is 100. So can I say A minus A dash equal to 100? So can we put here the values A plus 99D minus A dash plus 99D, so 100. So here if I open the bracket, see, minus A dash minus 99D equal to 100. So 99D will get cancelled. So A minus A dash equal to 100. I got this second equation. Now difference between thousandth equation. See, thousandth equation for the first one was A plus 999D and for the second it was A dash plus 999D. So that will be equal to A plus 999D minus A dash minus 999D. So again this got cancelled. So A minus A dash. So that will be equal to 100. So difference between their 1000 term will be. See, now the 13th one is asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So if I see carefully, see the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the biggest will be 999. So smallest number divisible by 7 will be 105. So that will be my A, and next number divisible by 7 will be 112. So this will be A2. So D will be A2 minus A1. So that is 112 minus 105. So that will be always 7. See, the largest 3-digit number is 999, and when 999 divided by 7 we get remainder 5. So therefore it means that 5 is remaining. So if I subtract 5 from 999, I will get number divisible by 7. So therefore 999 minus 5 will be equal to 994. Now if you carefully see, 994 is divisible by 7. So therefore I can say AN equal to 994. Now see AP how it formed. First number was 105, second was 112. Then if I add 7 in that, so 119, so on. And last number is 994. Now I have to find how many numbers are there. So N I have to find. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So AN is 994, A is 105, D is 7, and N minus 1 I don't know. So 994 minus 105 upon 7 will give me N minus 1. So if I divide it, I will get N minus 1 equal to 127. Therefore, N equal to 120. That means there are 128 three-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Next is how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So, again doing the same way, see, first multiple of 4 after 10 is 12, and next will be 16. So I can say 12, 16, 20, and so on it will go. Now still I don't know the last number. So to get last number, it should be below 250. When we divide 250 by 4, remainder is 2. Therefore, subtracting 2 from 250 gives 248, and 248 is divisible by 4. So therefore 12, 16, 20, so on till 248, it is the AP. So A is 12, D is 4, AN is 248. So now if we solve that, see, using the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 248 equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into 4. So 248 minus 12 divided by 4 equal to N minus 1. So N minus 1 will be equal to 59. So N equal to 60. So I can say there are 60 numbers which are divisible by 4 between 10 and 250. Now 15th one is, for what value of N are the N terms of AP 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal. So I have to find the value which is equal, that is nth term which is equal in both. So see, for first AP, A is 63, D is 2. So AN will be A plus N minus 1D. So AN will be 63 plus 2 into N minus 1. So I can say 63 plus 2N minus 2. So 61 plus 2n, that is first. Now for second AP, A is 3, D is 7. An will be A plus n minus 1 D. So An will be 3 plus 7 into n minus 1. So 3 plus 7n minus 7. So 7n minus 4 I will get here. So, but he is saying that 1 and 2 are equal for what value? So let us check. So 61 plus 2n equal to 7n minus 4. So now like terms I am taking on one side. So 61 plus 4 equal to 7n minus 2n. So 65 equal to 5n. So n equal to 65 by 5. So therefore n equal to 13. So 13 term is such which is same in both of them. Now 16th one he says determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So third term is 16. Therefore A plus 2D will be equal to 16. This will be first one. Now A7 will be A plus 6D and A5 will be A plus 4D. So A7 minus A5 will be equal to A plus 6D minus A plus 4D. That will be A plus 6D minus A minus 4D. So 2D. So now this difference is 12. So D is 12 by 2. So therefore D is 6. Now he has told us to find the AP. So D I got. Now putting D equal to 6 in 1. A plus 2 into 6 will be equal to 16. So A equal to 16 minus 12. So A equal to 4. Therefore AP is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Now 17th one he has given. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 dot 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 253. So see, A is 3, D will be 8 minus 3, so that will be 5, and AN is 253. So I can directly say AN equal to A plus n minus 1D formula I have to use. So 253 equal to 3 plus 5 into n minus 1. So my number will be, n value will be 253 minus 3 divided by 5. That will be total number of n's here. So 250 upon 5 equal to n minus 1. So 50 will be equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 51 term. Now if I cut 20 from 51, I will get 32 term. So A32 I have to find. So that will be A plus 31D. Now A is 3 plus 31 into D is 5. So 3 plus 155. So 158. So the 20th term from the last will be 158. Now 18th one he has given the sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. So see, Here what is the general formula will be an equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and a4 will be a plus 3d, and a8, so a8 will be a plus 7d. So a4 plus a8 equal to 2a plus 10d. Say k 24 equal to 2a plus 10d. This I am taking as one number. Now the second one he has said a6 and a10. a6 plus a10 equal to 44. So using the formula directly I can say a plus 5d plus a plus 9d will be 44. So a plus a 2a, 9 plus 5 14d equal to 44. 2. Now from 1 and 2, if I subtract 2a plus 10d equal to 24, and second implies 2a plus 14d equal to 44. If I subtract them, see 2a cancel, minus 4d equal to minus 20. So I will get d equal to 5, because minus minus both sides will get cancelled, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I got d equal to 5. Now I have to put this in equation 1. So putting d equal to 5 in 1. 24 equal to 2a plus 10 into 5. So 24 minus 50 equal to 2a. Minus 26 equal to 2a. So a equal to minus 13. Now a I know d. So first three terms of AP will be minus 13, then second will be minus 13 plus 5, so minus 8, and third will be minus 8 plus 5, so minus 3. Now 19th one, it says Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. Okay, so A is 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Okay, so D is 200. In which year did his income reach to rupees 7,000? So AN is 7,000. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 7,000 equal to 5,000 plus 200 into n minus 1. So 7,000 minus 5,000 equal to 200 into n minus 1. So 2,000 upon 200 equal to n minus 1. So 10 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 11. So in the 11th year, he reached to 7,000 salary. Now 20th one is Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased. Okay, so A is 5 and then increased our weekly saving by rupees 1.75. So D is 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving became rupees 20.75, so AN equal to 20.75. So find N. So again I will use the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So 20.75 equal to 5 plus 1.75 into n minus 1. So 20.75 minus 5 will be equal to 1.75 into n minus 1. 15.75 upon 1.75 equal to n minus 1. So 9 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 10. So in the 10th week he will reach to 20.75. The next topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. So we can say Sn is sum of n terms. So that is represented by n by 2 into a plus an. This is the first formula. Then I can still simplify that n upon 2 an was a plus n minus 1d. So this is also written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. 2a plus L. If the first term and the last term of the AP are given, I can say a plus L. So these are the basic formulas to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Let's see some examples related with that. First, I am given an AP 8, 3, minus 2, dot, dot, dot. And he has asked me the sum of 22 terms. So here A is 8, D will be 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, and N is 22. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the general formula. Now here S22 will be 22 upon 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. So solving this one, 22 divided by 2 will be 11. So 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5 will be equal to 11 into 16 minus 105. So which in turn will be 11 into minus 89. So that will be equal to minus 979. So therefore I can say that sum of 22 terms is minus 979. Now let us see one more example. Here, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10. So A is 10. Find the 20th term. So I have to find A20. So see here what I know A, I don't know D. So if I know A and D, I can find A20 easily. So let us do that. And I also know n equal to 14 because 14 terms are there. So can I say Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So S14, so here I will write 14. So 14 upon 2 into 10 plus total 14 terms are there. So 14 minus 1 into D. Now D I don't know. So this will be 7. So S14 is 1050. So 1050. If I bring this 7 on this side, so it will go into divide into 20 plus 14 minus 1 D. So 7 ones are 7, 3. So 150 equal to 20 plus 13D. So 150 minus 20 equal to 13D. 130 equal to 13D. So D equal to 10. 130 divided by 13 will be 10. A20 will be A plus 19D. So A was 10 plus 19 into 10. So 10 plus 190. So 200. So therefore A20 is 200. Now here exercise 5.3 question 1 says find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12 to 10 term. So here A equal to 2, D equal to 7 minus 2 that is 5 and N is 10. So I have to find S10. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So putting the values 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So solving that 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. 5 into 49 that is 245. Minus 37 minus 33 minus 29 to 12 terms. So A equal to minus 37, D equal to minus 33 minus of minus 37. So that is minus 33 plus 37. So 4 and N is 12. So S12 will be 12 by 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. That will be 12 divided by 2 will be 6. 2 into 37 and minus. So minus 74 plus 11 4s are 44. So 6 into minus 30. So that will be minus 180. Third one 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 200 terms. So A equal to 0.6, D will be 1.7 minus 0.6. So that will be 1.1. N is 100. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So putting the values 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. So 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So that will come to 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. So 50 into 110.1. So that will be equal to 5505. Fourth one says 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 to 11 terms. So A will be 1 upon 15, D will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. 12 5s are, so 5 minus 15 4s are, so that comes to 1 upon 60. Now n equal to 11. So formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So putting the values 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1. So 10 into 1 by 60. So this became 11 upon 2 into 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 6. So 15 and 6 means LCM will be 30. So 30, 15 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 5s are, so 5. So this came as 11 upon 2 into 9 by 30. So we get 11 upon 2 into 9 by 30. 3 3s are, 3 10s are. So it became 33 by 20. Says find the sum given below. First one is 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 84. Now we don't know which is the nth term. So because for Sn we will need nth term. So to get that, see, a simple method we can use. A equal to 7, D equal to 10 2s are 20 and 21 upon 2 minus 7. So that will be 21 minus 14 by 2. So 7 by 2 and an equal to 84. So I have to use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So that will be a will be 7 plus n minus 1 I don't know. Here an is 84 into d is 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 equal to 7 by 2 into n minus 1. So 77 into 2 by 7 equal to n minus 1. So 11 into 2 equal to n minus 1. So 22 plus 1 equal to n. So n I got 23. Now n I have got. So now I can find Sn. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So 23 by 2 into 2 into a was 7 plus 23 minus 1 will be 22 into d was 7 by 2. So I have cut here only 2 and 22. So 23 by 2 into 14 plus 77. So that will be 23 by 2 into 91. So 2093 by 2. Next is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dot 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 till 10. So a equal to 34, d equal to 32 minus 34, that is minus 2, an equal to 10. So an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So an is 10, a is 34 plus n I don't know and d is minus 2. So 10 minus 34 by minus 2 will be n minus 1. So minus 24 upon minus 2 equal to n minus 1. So 12 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 13. Now S n equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So I can say 13 by 2 into 2 into 34 plus 13. So 13 minus 1, 12. Into D is minus 2. So 13 by 2 into 68 minus 24. So that will be 13 by 2 into 44. 286. Now third one is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 dot 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 till minus 230. So A is minus 5, D is minus 8 minus of minus 5. So minus 3 and AN is minus 230. AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So AN is minus 230 equal to A is minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 3. So I can say minus 230 plus 5 by minus 3 will be equal to N minus 1. So N minus 1 is coming to 75. So N will be 76. Now I can use another formula also to find Sn, that is N by 2 into A plus AN, or last term where we wrote L also there. N by 2. N by 2 means 76 by 2 into A means first term minus 5 plus last term minus 230. So 3s are 6, 1, 8. So 38 into minus 235. So that is coming to minus 8930. Now question 3 says given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. So to do that, again first I need to find N. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is 50 equal to A is 5 plus N. N I don't know, so N minus 1 into D is 3. So 50 minus 5 upon 3 equal to N minus 1. So 45 by 3 equal to N minus 1. So 15 plus 1 equal to N. So N equal to 16. So I got N equal to 16. Now I have to find S16. So S16 will be 16 upon 2 into 2A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So that will be 8 into 2 into 5 plus 15 into 3. So 8 into 10 plus 45. 440 is given A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35, D I have to find, and I have to find S13. So again first I need to use AN formula. So that will be A plus N minus 1 D. So A13 will be equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So A13 is 35 equal to A is 7 plus 12 D. So 35 minus 7 upon 12 equal to D. D equal to 2.33. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L or an. So here n is 13 by 2 into a is 7 plus d is 35. So 13 by 2 into 42. So that is coming to 273. Next one is A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. We have to find A. So first A n equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A12 equal to A plus 12 minus 1. So 11 D. So 37 equal to A plus 11 into 3. So 37 minus 33 equal to A. So A equal to 4. Now I got value of A. I have to find S12. So Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. That is last term or An. Here last term is A12. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 into A is 4 plus last term is given to me as 37, that is A12. So 6 into 4 plus 37. So that is coming as 246. Now next is A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, D equal to question mark, A10 equal to question mark. So here again first I will be using the formula An equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A3 equal to A plus 2D. So 15 equal to A plus 2D. Now I can't solve this because D and A both are unknown. So I am giving it one number. Then the other is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D. So S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 9D. So S10 is given as 125. So 125 divided by 5 equal to 2A plus 9D. 25 equal to 2A plus 9D. This is my second equation. If I multiply equation 1 by 2, so 2 multiplied by 1 implies 30 equal to 2A plus 4D, and second one multiplied by 1 implies 25 equal to 2A plus 9D. Now subtracting both the equations, 2A can 5 equal to minus 5D. So D equal to minus 1. So now I got D. So I can put the value of D in 1 equal to minus 1 in 1. 15 equal to 15 equal to A plus 2 into minus 1. So A equal to 17. Now I got value of A, I know value of D. So they have asked me A10. So A10 will be A plus 90. So A is 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So that will be 8. So A10 is equal to 5. S9 is 75. A I have to find. A9 I have to find. So I can say directly Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here S9 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8d, 9 minus 1. So S9 is 75 equal to 9 by 2 into 2 into a plus 8 5s are. So 75 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 40. So I can say 75 into 2 by 9 equal to 2a plus 40. So 25 into 2 by 3 equal to 2a plus 40. So 25 into 2 will be 50. 50 divided by 3 minus 40 equal to 2a. So 50 minus 120 divided by 3 equal to 2a. So minus 70 upon 3 into 2 divided by 2 equal to a. So a equal to minus 35 by 3. Now I got value of a, I know d and I know n also. So I have to find an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now a9 will be equal to a plus 8d. So a9 is minus 35 by 3 plus 40. So that will be minus 35 plus 120 upon 3. So that is coming to 85 by 3. Here A is 2, D is 8, Sn is 90, N and An we have to find. So as we know, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So putting the values, 90 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So 90 into 2 equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8. So 180 equal to n into 8n minus 4. So I can say 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. We get 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. So 90 is such factor whose sum is 1. So 10 and 9. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. So 2n n minus 5 plus 9. So n minus 5 equal to 0. So either n minus 5 or 2n plus 9 equal to 0. So therefore either n equal to 5 or n equal to minus 9 by 2. So therefore n will be equal to 5 as it is positive, only solution. Now we have to find an. An will be a plus n minus 1 d. So a5 will be a. So a was 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d was 8. So 2 plus 32, 34. A5 equal to 34. Here we are given a equal to 8, an equal to 62 and Sn equal to 210. N and D I have to find. So Sn, I can use the formula n by 2 into a plus an, that is last term. So Sn is 210, n by 2, a is 8 plus an is 62. So 210 into 2 by 70 will be equal to n. So n equal to 6. So first solution I got n equal to 6. Now I have to find d. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a6 will be equal to a plus 5d. So a6 is 62 equal to 8 plus 5d. 62 minus 8 by 5 equal to d. So d equal to 54 by 5, which is equal to 10.8. Here we are given an, d and Sn, and n and a we have to find. So again using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So 4 equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. 4 equal to a plus 2n minus 2. So 6 equal to a 2n. Therefore I can say a equal to 6 minus 2n. Sn will be n by 2 into a plus an. So Sn is minus 14 and I don't know upon 2 equal to n by 2 into a plus 4. So minus 28 equal to n into a plus 4. Putting 1 in the above equation, we will get minus 28 equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus 4. So minus 28 equal to n into 10 minus 2n. So if I open the bracket, so minus 28 equal to 10n minus 2n square. So I can say 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equal to 0. So dividing by 2, n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 2. 14 such factor whose sum is minus 5. So here a is 3, n is 8 and S is 192. D we have to find. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S8 means 192 equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 will be 7 into d. So 192 by 4 equal to 6 plus 7d. 48 minus 6 equal to 7d. So 42 equal to 7d. So 42 upon 7 equal to d. So d equal to 6. Now here I am given L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms. A I have to find. So I can directly use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So Sn is 144, n 9 by 2 into A I don't know, L is 28. So 144 into 2 by 9 will be equal to A plus. I can say 32 minus 28 equal to A. So A equal to 4. 36. So here I can say A equal to 9, D equal to 17 minus 9, so that will be 8. Now we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So Sn is 636, n I don't know, upon 2 into 2a. So 2 into 9 plus n I don't know, so n minus 1 into d is 8. So 636 into 2 will be equal to 18 plus 8n minus 8n. So this will be therefore 1272 equal to 10 plus 8n into n. So 1272 equal to 8n square plus 10n. Therefore 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equal to 0. Now dividing all the terms by 2, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. So 636 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. So n common, 4n plus 53 minus 12 common, so 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So here I will get n minus 12 into 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So therefore I can say either n equal to 12 or n equal to minus 53 by 4. Therefore n equal to 12, because number of terms will be always positive. Here I am given the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. find the number of terms and the common difference. So A equal to 5, L equal to 45 and Sn I am given. So we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So now A and L we know Sn also. So 400 equal to n by 2 into 5 plus 45. So 400 equal to 50 by 2n. So n equal to 400 by 25. So n equal to 16. Now I have got n. Now I know that last term we call as an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 16. So I can say 5 plus 15 into d equal to last term is 45. So therefore 45 minus 5 upon 15 equal to d. So d equal to 40 by 15. So 5 8s are 5 3s are. So d equal to 8 by 3. Now 6 sum, I am given the first term and the last term are 17 and 350 respectively, and the common difference is 9. Find the number of terms and sum. So here A equal to 17, L equal to 350, D is given as 9. So we know that L equal to A plus n minus 1D. So 350 equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. So 350 minus 17 upon 9 equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 equal to 37. So n equal to 38. Now I have got n. So now I have to use the formula. I have to find the sum. So sum Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. 38 by 2 into 17 plus 350. So 38 by 2 will be 19 into 367. So that is coming as 6973. Now I am given, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is given to me as 149. So common difference will be 7, A22 is 149, and sum I have to find. So I can say S22 equal to question mark. So A22 will be A plus 22 minus 1D. 22 is 149 equal to A I don't know, and 22 minus 1 will be 21 into D is 7. So 149 minus 147 will be A. So A equal to 2. So I got A equal to 2. Now I have to find Sn will be equal to n by 2 into A plus A22 or last term. So that is 22 by 2 into A is 2 plus 149. So 11 into 151. So that is coming 1661. Now 8th one says find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18. So I am given A2, A3, I am given N51 and I have to find Sn. So see, I can say A2 will be A plus D. So 14 equal to A plus D, and this I can take as 1. A3 equal to A plus 2D. So 18 equal to A plus 2D second. So If you see both the equations, only D is common in them. That is 1D is added. So I can say D will be 18 minus 14, that is 4. Now putting D equal to 4 in 1. 14 equal to A plus 4. So A equal to 14 minus 4, that is A equal to 10. Now I know A, I know D equal to 4. I have to find S51. So S51 equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D. So S51 equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 50 into D. D is 4. So this will be 51 upon 2 into 20 plus 200. So 51 into 220 upon 2. So that will be 51 into 110. So 5610. Now ninth one, it says if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. So find the sum of first n term. So I know S7 is 49, S17 is 289. Now we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So S7 will be 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. So if I take 2 common and cut, 49 equal to, see 7 I am bringing on the LHS side and 1 by 2 I am multiplying with this bracket. So I can say 7 equal to a plus 3d. I have divided both the terms with 2. So this is my first equation. Similarly, 17 will be equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. So 289 equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Again I am doing the same process. 289 divided by 17 equal to a plus 8d. Divide by 17 will be 17 equal to a plus 8d. So this is second equation. Now solving them, that is 1 implies a plus 3d equal to 7. 2 implies a plus 8d equal to 17. So subtracting both, so minus 5d equal to minus 10. So d equal to 2. Now putting value of d in 1. Putting d equal to 2 in 1. 7 equal to a plus 3 into 2. So 7 minus 6 equal to a. So a equal to 1. Has asked me to find Sn. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So I can say n upon 2. Here a is 1, so 2 plus n I don't know, so n minus 1 into 2. So can I say n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this both gets cancelled. So n by 2 into 2n. 2 cancel, so equal to n square. Now question 10 says that show that A1, A2 till AN form an AP where AN is defined as first AN equal to 3 plus 4n. So see, this is given. Now can I say A1 will be 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4, 7. A2 will be 3 plus 4 into 2. So 8 plus 3, 11. A3 will be 3 plus 4 into 3. So that will be 15. A4 will be 3 plus 4 into 4. So 19. So D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7, 4. A3 minus A2, that is 15 minus 11, that is 4. A4 minus A3, that is 19 minus 15, that is 4. Therefore, D equal to 4 is common difference with A equal to 7. So it is an AP with A equal to 7 and common difference 4. As 15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1. So 14 into D was 4. So that is coming as 15 by 2 into 70. So that will be equal to 525. Second one says an equal to 9 minus 5n. So again if I find a1, so I will be having 9 minus 5 into 1. So that will be 4. A2 will be 9 minus 5 into 2. So 9 minus 10. So minus 1. A3 will be 9 minus 5 into 3. So 9 minus 15 will be minus 6. A4 equal to 9 minus 5 into 4. So minus 11. So if I want to find D, A2 minus A1, minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. A3 minus A2, so that also will be minus 6, minus of minus 1, so minus 5. A4 minus A3, so that also will be minus 11, minus of minus 6, so minus 5. So therefore it is an AP with D equal to minus 5 and A equal to 4. So now it is an AP, we got that. Now I have to find S15. So we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So S15 will be 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 14 into minus 5. So this will be 15 by 2 into 8 minus 14, 5 are 70. So 15 by 2 into minus 62. So that is 15 into minus 31. So that is coming as minus 465. Here we know that Sn equal to 4n minus n square. So first term, that is sum of one term, or A, that will be 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So that will be 4 minus 1, so 3. Then S2, that is sum of first two terms, will be 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So that will be 8 minus 4, so 4. So therefore A2 will be 4 minus 3, sum of two terms minus sum of one term. So A2 is 1. Now common difference D will be A2 minus A. So that will be 1 minus 3. So that is minus 2. Now nth term, that is an, will be a plus n minus 1d. So a is 3 plus n I don't know minus 1 into d is minus 2. So we can say that 3 minus 2n plus 2. So 5 minus 2n. So an is 5 minus 2n. Now he has asked me a3 and a10. So a3 will be 5 minus 2 into 3. So 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. A10 will be 5 minus 2 into 10. So that will be 5 minus 20. So minus 15. Thus we got all the terms. Now next question is asking, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So the positive integer divisible by 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. So here a will be 6, d will be 12 minus 6, that is 6. So now he has asked me as sum. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Here n is 40. So S40 equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. So that will be 20 into 12 plus 39 into 6 will be 234. Now if I solve this, that is 20 into 246, so it will be 4920. Next is asking me to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. Now here a will be 8, d will be also 8 and he has asked me as 15. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So S15 will be 15 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1, so 14 into 8. So that will be 15 by 2 into 16 plus 112. So that is 15 into 128 by 2. So that will be 15 into 64. 15 into 64, if I cut 128 by 2, and that will be equal to 960. Next he has asked us sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, till last number will be 49. So here a is 1, d is 2, n. An or last term is 49. So sum he has asked me. So here, but I don't know how many numbers are there. So n I don't know and I have to find sum. So to find sum I will need n. So an, that is L equal to 49 is there. So L means a plus n minus 1 d, that is 49. So putting the value 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 equal to 49. So n minus 1 will be equal to 49 minus 1 divided by 2. So n minus 1 equal to 48 by 2. So n equal to 25. Now I know that 25 terms I will get between them. So S25 will be 25 by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into d. D is 2. So this will be 25 by 2 into 2 plus 24 twos are, so 48. So 25 into 50 by 2. So answer will be 625. Now 15th question says a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain days as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day. So A is 200. Rupees 250 for the second day. So 250 means D will be 250 minus 200. So 50 rupees is the delay charge, that is D I got, and so on. 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delays the work for 30 days? So we need to find for 30 days. So I can say okay, I need to find S30, which he has asked me. So now we know A, we know D, we have to find S30. So first of all, Sn will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So S30 will be 30 by 2, that is 15, into 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 will be 29 into 50. So 15 into 400 plus 1450. So 15 into 1850. So that will come to 27,750. Now next one is a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. So prizes are 7 and total sum is 700. So S7 is 700. To students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize. So let the first prize be rupees X. The second prize will be rupees X minus 20. Third prize will be rupees X minus 40. So like this it will go. So I can say A equal to X, D equal to minus 20, and S7 is 700. So using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, S7 will be 7 by 2 into 2x plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. So 700 into 2 by 7, so 100, equal to 2x minus 120. So 200 plus 120 equal to 2x. So 320 by 2 equal to x. X equal to 160 rupees. So first prize is 160. So I can say AP will be 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. Now next one is, in a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the student? So here we can see that it is clearly in the AP. So 1, 2, 3 till 12 it is there. Classes are there. So first term will be A will be 1. D also will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now here there are 12 S12, so 12 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into d is 1. So 6 into 2 plus 11, so 78. Therefore number of trees planted by one section of class is 78. Number of trees planted by 3 sections of class will be 78 into 3, that is 234. Next is a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternatively at A and B. Starting with center at A of radii 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 cm as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So see, perimeter of a semicircle will be equal to 2 pi r upon 2. So that is pi r. Now, therefore, perimeter of first one will be semicircle will be pi into 0.5. So that is pi by 2. Second it will be pi into 1. So pi. Third one it will be pi into 1.5, so 3 pi by 2 and so on. So therefore my AP will be pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and so on. Now I got the AP. So now I can say which is the which term. So see here P1, that is perimeter 1 is pi by 2, P2 is pi. So D will be P2 minus P1, that is pi minus pi by 2. So that will be half pi. Half pi. So now Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into a was pi by 2. So pi by 2, so 2 cancel plus 13 minus 12 into d. D is half pi. So 6. So that will be 13 by 2 into pi plus 6 pi. So 7 pi. So if I solve this, so 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. So that will come to 143 centimeter. Now next one says 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top? So clearly here I can say my AP is 20, 19, 18, so on. So D will be 19 minus 20, so that is minus 1. A is 20. Now total logs, that is Sn equal to 200. So I can say Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. 200. So 200 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So I can say 400. I have multiplied 2 on the left hand side equal to n into 40 minus n plus 1. This will become as 400 equal to 41 n minus n square. So if I bring everything on one side, n square minus 41 n plus 400 equal to 0. So 400 such factor whose sum is 41. So 16 and 15. So n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. So n minus 16 minus 25, so n minus 16 equal to 0. So either n minus 16 or n minus 25 equal to 0. So therefore n equal to 16 or 25. Now I have to check the answer. So nth term formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus a 16 equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 into d. So d was minus 1. So that is 20 plus 15 into minus 1. So that is 20 minus 15. So 5. And if 25th term I do, a25 equal to 20 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 1. So that is coming as 20 minus 24. So minus 4. So therefore, see, I can't say logs will be minus. So there will be 200 logs placed in 16 rows and number of logs in 16th row will be 5. Now the next one, it says in a potato race a bucket is placed at the starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato and other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues in the same way until all potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So see, it is clearly mentioned that AP is 5, 8, 11, 14. That is every time she is running back, so it will be in this AP format. Now, if I take A equal to A will be, see, first when she takes up the first potato from 5 meter, again she is dropping it in the bucket. So it will be 10 because double distance. Then second, she is coming back 8 meter and going back 8. So that will be A2 will be 16 because 2 times she will run 8 meter. So Therefore D will be 16 minus 10, that is 6. And totally she has taken 10 potatoes, so S10 I have to find. Now using the formula I can say S10 will be 10 by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into 6. So that will be 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are, so 54. So 5 into 74, so that is 370. So total distance covered will be 370 meter.